Happy birthday, Lola Binya. More birthday to comes po. Ingat po palagi. Stay sexy and God bless you po.
Happy birthday, Mami Binya!
Happy birthday po, Mami Binya!
Happy birthday, Mami Binya! Love you always!
Hello, Mommy. Happy birthday. How young are you now? I know you're still looking good po. I'm praying for your good health, long life, syempre. And I wish you nothing but the best. Mag-iingat po kayo palagi. I hope you enjoy your birthday. Happy birthday!
Hello po, Mami Binya. Happy birthday po sa mami namin na may pinakamalaking puso at napakabait. Mami, maraming salamat sa pag-ampon mo sa akin. Alam mo na yon. Basta enjoy lang po ang buhay, Mami. At mag-iingat po lagi. Pagpalain po kayo ng Panginoon. At rock and roll lang po sa buhay, Mami. Rock and roll lang. Salamat po. God bless, Mami Binya.
Happy birthday, Mami La! Congratulations, and we wish you all for a very longer life still. And we wish you good health, good everything. Be energetic. Thank you. We love you. Yeah!
Hi, Angie. Happy birthday.
Hi, Ate Binya. We're here in France. Happy birthday. I hope you have the best thing in life. Bye.
Happy birthday, Mami. Ang mami ng lahat, Mami Binya. Happy birthday. Sana palaging healthy tsaka happy yung buhay natin dyan. Mag-iingat kayo palagi at kita-kita tayo soon. Love you, Mami. Happy birthday.
Mami, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mami La.
More blessings.
More blessings to come for you.
Good health palagi.
And good health.
Love ka namin nila nanay at saka nila Billy.
We love you from Nanay and Daddy and me.
Happy birthday ulit po, Mami.
Happy birthday!
Hi, Ate Binya. Happy birthday. I wish you a good health and long life. We love you. God bless you always.
Happy birthday, Dibinya. Wish ko lang good health. God bless. Salamat sa lahat. Happy birthday.
Hello, Mami. Happy birthday.
Ingat po palagi.
God bless po. We love
We love you po.
Happy birthday, my dear best friend. Sana humaba pa ang buhay, maging malakas at maging masaya sa buhay. Kahit tayo hindi bihirang magkita, nandun pa rin ang ating closeness. Happy birthday.
Dibinya, happy birthday. MBTC, God bless. Naway lalo pang humaba ang buhay mo at naway matupad lahat yung mga pangarap mo. At nagpapasalamat ako sa mga naitulong mo at mula umpisa ng bata hanggang ngayon naanya ka pa rin nagabi sa akin. Maraming salamat, ha? Alam mo na yan. Basta't huwag ka lagi magpe-Fernando po para hindi ka lumaki. Okay, thank you.
Happy birthday, Ate Binya. Wishing you good health and may your day filled with laughter, love, and happiness. Happy birthday to you. Mwah.
birthday. More birthdays to come. Mag-iingat ka palagi. Huwag mong pababayaan ang sarili mo. Lagi kang kumain ng masarap. Yung masarap na healthy. I love you. Lagi mong tandaan, andito lang ako palagi para sa'yo at sa family mo. Masaya ako kung ano man ang nangyayari ngayon sa buhay mo at sa mga anak mo. Mag-iingat palagi ha. I love you.